This is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for having me here today.
You are sitting on the homestead of my family. We've been here for 4 generations, and we are looking forward to showing you around today.
Wow, I do not see this on the highway. This is your backyard. Tell me, I guess, about like your day-to-day then.
When you manage a ranch, you're not just managing your cows. You're managing the grass and the soil and the water and the animals. And on top of it, we're also watching wildlife, because to me, wildlife are very, very important. The cows have been out here for about a week, and it is all native grass. And so we'll let them take it down. We really do take about half of it. Rotational grazing the idea is to take half and leave half. And so you keep moving the cows
to different areas.
Going.
Okay, no, that makes sense.
They will want to stick around where the salt blocks are,
right?
So that we can graze that particular area.
Right. I need to see this block of salt. It must be humongous. It must be like a giant.
They're 50-pound blocks of salt. There's no doubt about it.
For us, I guess conservation is ensuring that we can maintain the grass that we have.
Right.
Because remember, this place had millions of head of bison on it before we ever showed up. Actually, and it's not that long before my great-grandfather showed up. It's only 20 years. But that 20 years was enough to change the ecosystems. And so now we use the livestock, the cattle in particular, to ensure that the ecosystems that are needed for those species, the birds, the deer, the elk, the predators as well, because the elk and deer thrive in this system as well, and we got to keep everything in balance.
How do you deal with what nature provides you? You know, like extreme weather conditions, or maybe like the winters, if it's like a harsher winter, like how do you work around that?
You always have to feed your animals what they need to survive, and so you've got to be ready for any and all circumstances. When it's really cold, you have to feed them more than you normally would. It's about monitoring and watching and balancing and looking at the animals, your herds, every day to understand what their needs are at that particular time.
There's some beef bulgogi dumplings that I made at home. Wow. I hope that you enjoy them, but yes, honestly though, this is like nothing compared to what you have given me today. So thank you so much for all the work that you do.